Hey guys, how you doing? I'm with Striker again, and I'm going to review today the iMini 2 keychain flashlight. I saw this on Amazon. It was super cheap. I think I paid like $20 for this thing. It's a 50 lumen keychain flashlight, and it really spoke to me. I just want to buy it today, open it up and just see what it's all about. Let's just get right into it here. Got a little pull tab. Nothing else in the box. Here you get yourselves a manual, which looks like it's stuck to the box here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, you actually tear the manual out of the box. That's kind of an interesting setup. You can find the manual probably online. I don't think I have to go through it. This is the USB charge cover here, in case you don't want it exposed. And there's a clip here. Obviously, you can clip this to things. Let's just check out the light now. All right, and here is the light. It feels really sturdy. And I guess what you're supposed to do is just, once you pull this thing off here, the light works. There's magnets in here. It's pretty strong. Geez, actually, let's test it here. Wow. It's a pretty strong magnet. But I like this because you can put this on your zipper or something and just grab and go. You don't have to worry about flicking anything, pressing a button. I chose this one. Rechargeable batteries are okay to have because, you know, it's convenient. But once the battery dies in here, I don't know how I'm going to be able to replace it. There's probably a way. I just don't like those button cell batteries. They seem to die a lot. They don't store well, so I chose this one over that one. 50 lumen bulb, pretty good for small tasks. And what's cool about this, the magnet can stick to like multiple things. In case you're working on your car, you just pop that under the hood there and you can work and not worry about anything. Let's take a look at the clip here. Pretty sturdy. It feels like it'll last. But yeah, you take this thing off here, plug it into any USB power bank, laptop, whatever you have. Everybody has USB chargeable accessories these days, so that's really cool. And you can put the clip on here, and then you put that on anything. We all know Olight and their quality, so pretty solid. It looks like there's a QR code there, probably going to the manual or something. I'll be carrying this from now on. I'll probably wear it on my bomber jacket zipper. It's really accessible. This doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out or anything. Super solid here. They made one with the button cells, just like I said, but I think that's only a 10 lumen flashlight if I'm not incorrect. Given that 50 is not bad. If you have a flashlight that dies, you want a backup one, and super convenient. You can put this in any everyday carry kit, med kit, stuff like that, car. I think this is awesome. Yeah, I'll be carrying this for a while. Anyway, guys, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. I'm trying to grow the channel, and there'll be more on the way. I hope you have a good day.